Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we had discussed from question number 1 to question number 6 of exercise 5b. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 7. Question number 7 is find the value of x in each case. To find the value of x, firstly we will make the bases same on both the sides. Right? Then we will compare and then we will find the value of x. So on left hand side we have base 2. So find the factor of 256. 256 के factors find out करते हैं. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So what is it? How many times we are multiplying 2 to get 256? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 256 can be written as 2 raised to the power 8 because we are multiplying 2 8 times, right? Now on left hand side we have 2 raised to the power x plus 2 and on right hand side we have 2 raised to the power 8. So let's compare them. When we will compare them, bases are same and we have equal sign in between. Between में क्या है? Equal sign है. So we can say that power should be equal. तभी तो सेम होगा. जब equal sign है it means left hand side right hand side के equal है and bases are same. So power should be same na. So we can say that x plus 2 is equals to 8. हम बोल सकते हैं पावर्स भी क्या होंगी? इक्वल होंगी. So we have put them equal. Now from here you can easily find the value of x. Move this 2 to the another side. X is equals to 8 was of plus sign. After moving to the side this will be of minus sign. So x is equals to 6. So the value of x is 6. This is your answer. Next part, on left hand side we have x raised to the power 3 is equals to, on right hand side we have 729. As I said, to compare both sides we should have either base or exponent equal. कंपेयर करने के लिए या तो बेस या फिर एक्सपोनेंट इक्वल होना चाहिए. कोई एक तो एटलीस्ट इक्वल होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ 729. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So this is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. How many times we are multiplying? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it means this is equals to 3 raised to the power 6. But what do we want? We want to make base और the exponent equal. या तो हम चाहते हैं कि बेस इक्वल हो जाए या एक्सपोनेंट इक्वल हो जाए. बेस भी इक्वल हम नहीं बना सकते बिकॉज दिस इज एक्स. एक्स क्या है? एक वेरिएबल है, राइट. सो हम पावर को इक्वल बनाएंगे. एक्स रेज टू द पावर 3, राइट. इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 एंड पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई कब होती है? जब पावर की पावर हो. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 3 रेज टू द पावर 6. क्लियर. सो x रेज टू द पावर 3 इज इक्वल्स टू, इनर पावर को क्या कर देंगे? सॉल्व कर देंगे. 3 रेज टू द पावर 2 मीन्स 3 3s are 9. So 9 raised to the power 3, right. If you will solve 9 raised to the power 3, 9 multiply 9, what do you get? 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. ये इक्वली है 729 के. सो हम 729 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 9 रेज टू द पावर 3. नाउ कंपेयर बोथ दी साइड्स. पावर्स आर सेम, पावर सेम है एंड वी हैव इक्वल साइन इन बिटवीन, सो हम बोल सकते हैं बेसिस भी क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे, क्योंकि दोनों साइड क्या है, इक्वल है. सो फ्रॉम हियर दिस इज क्लियर दैट x इज इक्वल्स टू 9. दिस इज योर आंसर. नेक्स्ट, left hand side and right hand side. On left hand side we have two exponential terms, right? So firstly we will make a single base and its power, right? Left hand side को solve करते हैं. Base is same, so write the base once. We are multiplying them, so powers क्या हो जाएंगी, add हो जाएंगी. 5 plus और क्या add हो जाएगा, second power which is 3 minus m. ऐड कर लेते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट डू वी गेट. ओपन ब्रैकेट 3 माइनस m. 5 plus 3 8 minus m. So after adding the powers we get 8 minus m. And on right hand side we have minus 6 raised to the power 3. Now bases are same and we have equal sign in between. So we can say that powers will be equal. जो एक्सपोनेंट है वो भी क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. सो पुट देम इक्वल. 8 minus m is equals to 3, right? From here you want to find the value of m, so move this to the another side. One thing students, 8 के आगे कोई साइन नहीं है, it means 8 is of plus sign. So after moving to the another side this will be of minus sign. Clear? Minus m is equals to, sign of both the numerals are different. 3 क्या है, प्लस का है, एंड 8 क्या है, माइनस का है. सो वैल्यूज विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. 8 minus 3 is 5 and sign will be of greater numeral which is minus. Now if minus m is equals to minus 5 we can say that m is equals to 5, right? Because minus से minus क्या हो जाएगी, cancel out हो जाएंगे. So m is equals to 5. This is your answer. Next, again solve the left hand side first. Bases are same, so write the base once. Minus 8 upon 9. And we are dividing them. Division means repeated subtraction. So powers क्या हो जाएंगी, subtract हो जाएंगी. 15 minus x is equals to, now on left hand side base was minus 8 upon 9. But on right hand side base is 8 upon 9. हमें क्या करना है, base या power same बनानी चाहिए. But power we cannot make same. Why? Because in power we have variable. Clear? So base को ही equal बनाना होगा. We can say that 8 upon 9 raised to the power 2 is also equals to minus 8 upon 9 raised to the power 2. बोल सकते हैं. Why? Because अगर पावर इवन है तो जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, minus 8 upon 9 multiply minus 8 upon 9, we will get 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, and that will be of plus sign because minus sign is occurring even number of times. Similarly on left hand side this is equals to 8 upon 9 multiply 8 upon 9, 8 8s are 64 upon 9 9s are 81. This is also 64 upon 81 and this is also 64 upon 81. So we can say that this is equals to this one. Why? Because power is even. पावर इवन है तो अगर हम ब्रैकेट में माइनस साइन भी लगाएंगे सो इट्स वैल्यू विल बी पॉजिटिव. एट द एंड वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी, पॉजिटिव ही मिलेगी. सो दिस कैन बी इक्वल टू दिस वन. नाउ बेसिस आर सेम सो यू कैन कंपेयर देम. If bases are same and you have equal sign in between, so we can say that power will be equal, exponents will be equal. So put them equal. 15 minus x is equals to 2, right? Move this 15 to the another side. 15 was of plus sign. 15 plus sign का था क्योंकि 15 के आगे कोई साइन नहीं है. जिस नंबर के आगे कोई साइन नहीं होता it means that is of plus sign. After moving to the another side this will be of minus sign. So minus x is equals to 2 and 15 are of different sign. 2 plus का है and 15 minus का है. So these will be subtracted. 15 minus 2 13 and sign will be of greater one which is minus. Now if minus x is equals to minus 13 we can say x is equals to 13 because minus minus अगर cancel out कर दें so x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, 13. This is your answer. Next question. Question number 8, rename the number in expanded form using exponents. First of all हम इसको expanded form में लिखते हैं. Write the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Right? So 7 multiply 10,000 plus 8 is at thousands place. So 8 multiply 1000 plus 0 is at 100 place. 0 multiply 100 plus 9 is at 10 place. So 9 multiply 10 plus 3 is at 1's place. So 3 multiply 1. They said to write them in the exponents. So in 10,000 we have 4 zeros, right? So this can be written as 7 multiply. How many times we will multiply 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Plus 8 multiply 1000. 1000 में कितने zeros हैं? 3 zeros हैं. So 3 times 10 को multiply करेंगे. Multiply 10, 10, 10 plus when we multiply 0 with any number it becomes 0. 0 means nothing, so no need to write it. Now next 9 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply. How we can write 1? They said to write in the form of exponent. So 1 can be written as 10 raised to the power 0 क्योंकि हम 10 की पावर में ही लिख रहे हैं ना. So this can be written as 10 raised to the power 0. So write in the form of exponents. 7 multiply, how many power of 10 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to the power 4 plus 8 multiply 1, 2, 3. 10 raised to the power 3 plus 9 multiply 10 raised to the power 1 plus 3 multiply 10 raised to the power 0. So this is your answer. Next, firstly write the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, right? So 8 multiply 1 lakh plus 5 multiply 10,000 plus 0 multiply 1000 plus 0 multiply 100 plus 0 multiply 10 plus 0 multiply 1, 1's place. Clear? This term is multiplied by 0. This is also multiplied by 0. This is also multiplied by 0 and this is also multiplied by 0. So when we will multiply any number by 0, we will get 0. It means it's nothing. Now we will write these two in the expanded form. 8 multiply. How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be written as 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 multiply, we have 4 zeros here. So 4 times 10 will be multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? And when we will multiply these numbers by 0, we will get 0. 0 means nothing, so no need to write them. This is equals to 8 multiplied 10 is multiplying 5 times. So power will be 5 plus 5 multiplied 10 is multiplying 4 times. So power will be 4. So this is your answer. 8 multiplied 10 raised to the power 5 plus 5 multiplied 10 raised to the power 4. Next question, question number 9. Simplify. First part is 3 raised to the power 3 whole power 2 multiply 5 raised to the power 2 denominator 9 raised to the power 2 multiply 5. Now students you have two options. एक ऑप्शन ये है कि आप सबको ओपन कर दो देन सिंपली कट. सेकंड क्या है, जो आपको लॉ एक्सप्लेन किए हैं इन इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो you will follow them, right? So let's see how we can do this. First of all, this 3 raised to the power 3 whole power 2, this is in the form of a raised to the power n raised to the power m, so this can be written as 3 raised to the power 3 multiply 2, it means 3 raised to the power 6, right? So right here 3 raised to the power 6 multiply 5 raised to the power 2 upon this is 9 raised to the power 2. So let's try to make their bases same. बेस सेम बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. 9 को और कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. 9 raised to the power 2. It means 3 raised to the power 4. Right? 9 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 raised to the power 4. Multiply 5. Now in numerator we have 3 base and in denominator also we have 3 base. So write the base once 3 and subtract the exponents because we are dividing them 6 minus 4. Multiply. In numerator we have power 2 and denominator we don't have power, it means we have power 1. So subtract 1. This is equals to 3 raised to the power 6 minus 4 is 2 multiply 5 raised to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is equals to 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So 3 5s are 15, 3s are 45. This is your answer. Next question. Again in numerator you have base 3 upon 5 and denominator you have 3 upon 5 base. So write the base once 3 upon 5. We are dividing them, upon means division ही होता है. So write the power of numerator minus the power of denominator which is 2. Multiply. Next base is 1 upon 7 and in numerator its power is 3. In denominator its power is 4. So subtract 4. This is equals to 3 upon 5. 3 minus 2 1 multiply 1 upon 7. 3 and 4 are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. Subtract कर देते हैं. 4 minus 3 1. Its sign will be of greater 1. 4 क्या है? Greater है, so its sign is minus. As I said, we can make the power positive. Its power is already positive, so write it same 3 upon 5 raised to the power 1 multiply to make its power positive. इसकी पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? बेस का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे. बेस इज 1 अपॉन 7, इट्स रेसिप्रोकल विल बी 7 अपॉन 1. जैसे ही आपने बेस का रेसिप्रोकल किया पावर बिकम्स पॉजिटिव. क्लियर? सो नाउ दिस इज 3 upon 5 raised to the power 1 means this is equals to 3 upon 5 multiply 7 upon 1. Multiply the numerators. 7 3s are 21 upon 5 1s are 5. And you can also write it into the form of mixed. Why? Because this is an improper one. So 5 4s are 20. Remainder is 1. Write the whole number. 4 numerator will be this remainder and denominator will remain same 5. So this is your answer 4 whole 1 upon 5. Next again this is in the form of a raised to the power n raised to the power m. right? पहले इस ब्रैकेट तक चेक करते हैं, ये इसी फॉर्म में है. सो पावर्स विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. अभी आउटर ब्रैकेट को एज इट इज रखते हैं. -1 upon 3 power will be multiplied. 2 2s are 4 of minus sign, right? Whole power -1. Again this is in the form of a raised to the power n raised to the power m. So again multiply these two powers also. So minus 1 upon 3 minus 4 multiply minus 1. 4 ones are 4 and minus sign is occurring even number of times. So this will be of plus 4, which can be written as minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3. So this is equals to 1 ones are 1 ones are 1, right? Minus sign is occurring even number of times, so this will be positive in denominator. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So your answer is 1 upon 81. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, सिक्स्थ पार्ट. फर्स्टली सॉल्व दिस पार्ट. इस पार्ट को सॉल्व करते हैं. 2 and 5 बोथ हैव सेम एक्सपोनेंट. दोनों का सेम ही एक्सपोनेंट है. सो उसको पावर को वंस लिख देते हैं, पावर को एक बार लिख देते हैं. एंड 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 मीन्स 2 अपॉन 5. 2 अपॉन 5 के इक्वली है. सो राइट इट 2 अपॉन 5. पावर को हमने सिर्फ एक ही बार लिख दिया क्योंकि दोनों की पावर सेम ही थी, राइट. Multiply minus 5 upon 8 raised to the power minus 1. Clear? Again both have same power. Power minus 1 है. So write the power once. पावर को एक ही बार लिख देते हैं. Clear? Now this 5 to this 5 cancel out. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5 of minus sign. Clear? 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So this is equals to 1 ones are 1 in numerator of minus sign, in denominator 4 ones are 4, and power is minus 1. Now students, when you will make its power positive, जब आप इसकी पावर पॉजिटिव बनाओगे आप क्या करोगे, बेस का रेसिप्रोकल लिखोगे. सो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ minus 1 upon 4 विल बी 4 upon minus 1. रेसिप्रोकल यही होता है ना, जो डिनोमिनेटर था वो न्यूमरेटर बन जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर जो था वो डिनोमिनेटर बन जाएगा. क्लियर? जैसे ही आपने बेस का रेसिप्रोकल लिखा, पावर बिकम्स पॉजिटिव. नाउ द पावर विल बी +1 और यू कैन से 1. एंड 4 upon minus 1 is also equals to minus 4 upon 1, which is also equals to minus 4. Clear? So this can be written as minus 4 raised to the power 1, which is also equals to minus 4. So students, in today's class we have discussed from question number 7 to question number 9. I have left some parts. Those parts you will practice yourself. In next class we will start the next exercise. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.